Picture this. A severe storm is rolling in. The lights flicker, and boom, you lose power. You grab your phone, desperately needing to report the outage to the Orlando Utilities Commission. But when you go to log in, you hit a massive brick wall. You need your account number, and you literally have no idea where it is. It's an incredibly stressful situation, but honestly, it's a startlingly common one. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to decode exactly how to retrieve your OUC account credentials, blast through those digital roadblocks, and make absolutely sure you are never left in the dark again.
So we're kicking things off with a scenario that drives people crazy. Being completely locked out of your online utility management because you need a number that's trapped inside the very portal you can't access. Whether you're just trying to pay a simple bill, check your current balance, or track your energy use to save a few bucks, missing these core account identifiers can bring your digital life to a grinding halt.
But don't worry, here's our step-by-step roadmap to get you logged in, verified, and totally secure. We'll quickly cover the key to your account, finding your identifiers, workarounds for paperless customers, troubleshooting access issues, account security and scams, and finally, some FAQs and next steps. Let's get right into it.
Okay, Section 1, the key to your account, understanding the dual credential framework. To really beat this system, we first need to understand the specific security architecture OUC uses. Knowing how the locks work is the very first step to getting the keys.
What you might be experiencing right now, especially if you're an unregistered or paperless customer, is something industry experts call the credential paradox. It's the ultimate catch-22. To get into the MyOUC portal, you absolutely need your account numbers. But to actually see those numbers, you need to get into the portal. It feels impossible, right? But I promise you, there are a few clever ways to break this loop.
Let's break down exactly why the Orlando Utilities Commission demands not one but two different 10-digit numbers to verify who you are. Think of your 10-digit account number as your public reference ID. It's what you use for automated phone menus or submitting a payment. Your 10-digit PIN, on the other hand, is basically a secondary security token. It's a secret handshake. OUC uses this exact combination to validate your identity and securely link your real-world home to your digital profile, keeping the bad guys out.
Moving right along to Section 2, finding your identifiers. Visual invoicing and portal navigation. Let's look at the absolute easiest, most standard ways to hunt down these two critical numbers. If you're someone who still gets a physical paper invoice in the mail, you're in luck. Finding your credentials is a total breeze. OUC uses a highly standardized layout for both residential and commercial bills. All you've got to do is look in the upper right-hand corner, what the system calls Section 1. Your account number is sitting right there at the very top, and your unique PIN is parked immediately beneath it. Easy peasy.
Now, what if you're actually already registered, but you just forgot your numbers because you need to set up, say, a new third-party payment app or automated banking? Your account summary page is your best friend here. Just log in, click View My Bill, and you can instantly pull up a PDF of your latest statement. You can even poke around the Inserts and Bills tab to dig up old PDFs from the last 5 years.
But what if you never get physical mail? That brings us to Section 3, workarounds for paperless customers, bypassing the mandatory form fields.
If you are enrolled in paperless e-bill or the PowerPass prepay program, things get a little tricky. Because you don't receive those traditional mailings, you can't just check the top right corner of a piece of paper to find your PIN. The standard self-service lookup kind of breaks down here. So you have to rely on dedicated contact forms or a quick phone call. Here's a brilliant little hack for you. If you use the online help request form, you'll hit a wall because it paradoxically forces you to enter an account number to submit a ticket asking for your account number. Make it make sense, right? Well, to bypass this mandatory field, select Need PIN and/or account number from the drop-down menu and simply type a placeholder like 00000 or the word unknown into the account number field. Boom! Form submitted, and a rep will reach out to verify your identity.
Now, if you're more of a phone person, you can call them directly at 407-423-9018. Just a quick heads up, unlike neighboring systems like Orange County, which uses a cool automated database to match your incoming caller ID straight to your account, OUC currently requires you to actually speak to a live human agent to manually verify your identity over the phone.
All right, on to Section 4, troubleshooting access issues, navigating validation errors, and system lockouts. Let's talk about what happens when you actually have your numbers, but the system is flat out rejecting you.
Have you ever seen this exact error message? We're sorry, the account number you entered was not recognized in our system. If this pops up during registration, it means what you typed just doesn't match the utility's core database. OUC requires a literal exact match, every single letter, number, and even spaces to ensure total security. Double-check your bill, and if it's still acting up, just use that Contact Us link.
3. That's the maximum number of times you can mess up your password in a row. If you guess wrong 3 consecutive times, the MyOUC platform temporarily locks your account entirely to guard against hackers trying to force their way in. If that happens, you'll just have to wait out a cooling period of a few minutes before you can try again, or you can go ahead and use the password reset tool.
And 30. 30 is the exact number of minutes you have to click your email registration link before it completely expires. When you first sign up or ask for a reset, OUC fires off a time-sensitive link to your inbox. If you get distracted, make a sandwich, and miss this 30-minute window, your pending registration is wiped out and you have to start the whole enrollment process all over again. So now that we've bypassed the digital roadblocks and you're successfully logged in, we hit Section 5, Account Security and Scams. It is absolutely crucial that we keep your profile safe from external threats.
Scammers love targeting utility customers, and honestly, they're getting super sophisticated. They will frequently spoof OUC's caller ID, making it look 100% legitimate on your phone's screen. You need to watch out for massive red flags. If anyone warns you of an immediate, surprise power disconnection or demands you pay right then and there with a prepaid debit card or a wire transfer, stop. Those are absolute, guaranteed indicators of fraud.
Always remember, OUC, the reliable one, handles their collections through official, formal channels. They will always send you written notice before any disconnection happens. They literally never do surprise home visits to demand cash, and they will absolutely never ask you for a wire transfer. If someone does this, hang up the phone or close the door, and contact local law enforcement right away.
Let's wrap things up with Section 6, FAQs and Next Steps, Mastering Your Account Operations. You're an expert at navigating this now, so let's look at some cool tips to make your life even easier. Check out this awesome efficiency tip. Once your mobile phone number is securely registered and linked to your 10-digit account number, you can totally bypass the web portal for quick tasks. Just text simple commands to the short code 69682. Texting BAL instantly shoots back your current balance. Texting OUT initiates a service outage report in a matter of seconds. It's a real game changer.
The absolute best way to future-proof your account and prevent these credential paradoxes from happening again is to keep your recovery contact info ruthlessly up to date. Make it a habit to check the My Info tab in your portal. If you get a new phone number or change your email address, update it immediately. That way, you'll always have the power to trigger a super-fast self-service password reset.
A quick heads up before we finish. Digital portals and security processes are always evolving. While this explainer covers the current landscape beautifully, reaching out to OUC directly, either through their official website or by calling their customer service line at 407-423-9018, is always your safest bet for the most accurate, up-to-the-minute account support.
Armed with all this knowledge, you are no longer locked out. You are fully ready to take total control of your utility profile today. So, what's the very first thing you're going to do? Are you going to set up SMS alerts, enroll in budget billing, or maybe hunt down some of those sweet energy efficiency rebates? The power is literally in your hands. Keep exploring, stay secure, and thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.